So, Gurjot, I have a question for you. As if people are having so many disease these days. So, why it is because of the imbalance of chakras? Can you put light ki how chakras play an important role in the physical diseases that people are having in their life today?
Thank you, Payal, for this question. Okay, before we enter the realm of chakras and how do they operate, we need to understand that this is a physical body, and at the same time, there is an energetic, subtle, etheric body above this body. Okay, there are a lot of ways in which people actually see this aura. You know, it's actually also called aura. This is basically your energy body. There are various machines now, there are instruments, measuring instruments that can actually measure the aura of a person. This aura or the subtle body contains chakras in it. Okay, and the famously known 7 chakras are something which everybody talks about these days, but there are more than 7 chakras in the body. And I'll not get into the depth of the chakras, but I would try to answer it using 2, 3 chakras at a moment. Okay. So this particular chakra system reflects everything that's happening inside your body. And if there is a change in the chakras, or if we heal the chakras or move something in the chakras, release the blockages in the chakra, it will start affecting the organs of the body as well. So it goes hand in hand. So whatever is happening inside is shown outside. Whatever happens outside goes inside. So when a person is going through a specific disease, for example, a lot of people complain of having issues with their bones, especially elderlies. Okay, they have issues with their spine. There's a lot of issues with their bone. It's very interesting to understand that as a person gets older, the root chakra becomes a little weaker. And it is the role of the root chakra to take care of the physical body. Okay, everything that's happening in the physical body, from the bones, from all the systems that are functioning, the basic rule is that the root chakra will take care of it. But as the movement is stopped, people do not engage into a lot of activities as they grow old, it starts impacting their parts of the bodies as well, and especially their bones.
Right.
So also, when there is a lot of insecurity, so the psychological role of root chakra is to make you feel secure and connected. But if somebody who's very insecure does not feel that they're safe in an environment that they are, it starts reflecting upon their bones. A lot of people also get into these, frequent accidents wherein they'll either break their bone or have certain issues with their ligament. It's an indication that the root chakra is not functioning properly because the person is not feeling secure in the environment that the person is. So when we start working on the root chakra or we start healing the root chakra, automatically all these layers starts moving away, the blocks moving out of the body, and it will help you to restore your health as well. So similarly, different chakras have different responsibilities, I would say. So like the sacral chakra is responsible for your reproductive organs. So if there is an issue with the reproductive organ, you work upon your sacral chakra. The solar plexus is responsible for the entire digestion process. It helps the liver, the gallbladder to function properly. So anything that does not really digest in your system is something that is bothering the solar plexus. Solar
Right.
plexus psychological functions are that it makes you feel all the lower emotions. It is also a place of power, of will and determination. So when they are a little imbalanced, you will actually see all of it happening in your stomach also. There's an imbalance in your stomach. Either you're constipated, or there is acidity, or there is frequent motions, depending upon what is not being digested properly. Similarly, when you move to the heart chakra, it has a different role. Your throat has a different role. Your third eye, which is right here, has a very different role. It is helpful for the planning process. And it is the mastermind here, which tells the entire body to function properly. But if they actually go haywire, this person cannot actually monitor them and discipline them. So this leads to a lot of headache or issues with your brain also. So this is how the chakras actually help each other, and it also impacts your health. So if we align these chakra properly, alignment means the movement of the flow of energy upwards and downwards. So there are two ways of movement. There is an downward movement and there is an upward movement. Okay. So when they are automatically balanced through different processes or through exercises or practice of yoga, meditation, when this aligns, the chakras function properly and you seem to be a very balanced person. So I would request everyone to pay attention to their chakras because your body is talking to you. So are your chakras. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gurjot, for giving us such a beautiful information that is so useful for us.